Now, when you make a snapshot, it's actually creating a file that lives on the server computer. In our case, it's a little weird because we're the web server and the web browser on the same computer. But what it's doing is where it's saving that file. You go to C, Program Files, IntelliFront, pick your version. Then there's this var folder that has the project folder, PROJ. Then there's a folder for each of your projects, mine named November Training. And then in the backup folder, it's creating that zip file every time. So each of these zip files is shown as a snapshot. November 4th at 11:28 a.m. That's this one here. So having the backup on here is good for a lot of cases. One case that it doesn't work so well on is this computer's disk crashes and I need to replace it with another computer and I want to run the same project. I don't want to have to rebuild it. So you want to have some copies of your snapshot on multiple computers. So once you take a snapshot and it's shown in the list, backing up the IntelliFront computer is, generally a good idea. That's one way, is if you did some cloud-based backup or had it back up on a different machine, then you'd have a copy that was available even if the computer's disk crashed. Another way you could do it is once you've made the snapshot, you can click on the snapshot, and backup means download it onto the browser's computer, typically in the downloads folder. And so that's something you may want to do periodically once you've made some substantial changes. And then hopefully you're backing up important files on your computer periodically so that if that computer's disk crashed, you could find the backup on your computer, put it on the new computer, then you would restore it and upload it. Or excuse me, you would upload it and restore it like we did when we started this project. So snapshots stay on the server computer, backup is good to do periodically to put them on the browser computer.